Hello, bird guy. Wow, come here to find millipede scorpion. Everything here. Except here. Wow. Oh, here. Everyone see? It's the first time I see the black. Wow, the black scorpion. It's a venom. Wow, strong poison. There is a strong poison. Wow, look at this. It's a red millipede. Ooh. Wow, two red millipedes. Oh, everyone see two red millipedes. Oh, and this one more red millipedes. Here, they are very healthy here. Oh, snail. That is a land snail. I don't want to cut the land snail. Oh, what is that? Wow, look at this. Oh, here. Beetle. Wow, the beetle larva. That is a beetle larva. Ooh. Wow, it's very big. Very big beetle larva. Oh, check here. Ooh, you see? Another one, smaller. Oh, yeah. Wow. Two beetle larva here. Wow, it's deep. Ooh, I see a millipede. Oh, there's a brown millipede. Here, there is a brown millipede. Oh. Oh, red. I see a red millipede. Wow, but it's smaller. You see, everyone. Oh, it's smaller millipede. Oh, another one red millipede. Oh, look at this. Wow, millipede a lot. Oh, I see another one. It's smaller millipede. Another red millipede also. Oh, here. Wow, another red millipede, but it is more smaller. This one more. It's bigger millipede. Oh, bigger millipedes. I found the millipede a lot in here. Oh. Ooh, scorpion. Ooh, millipedes. Wow, everyone look here. Wow. Ooh, this is brown millipedes. Wow, big brown millipedes. Wow, here, one more brown millipedes. But it's soft. It's soft. Wow, this is a. Ooh, oh, oh, look here. That is the venom scorpion here. Oh, that is big. That's a big one. Wow, here. How many red millipedes over there? Oh, look at this here. Wow, millipedes a lot and bigger millipedes. Oh, look at this. It's one more here. Wow. Oh, there are a lot. Oh, another millipedes. Wow, another brown millipedes. Oh, many millipedes. Oh, wow. Oh, I see here a millipede. Here, what there? Oh, wow, millipedes a lot. Wow, look at this. Ooh, wow, millipedes, white and white millipedes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow, so many other millipedes. Look at here. Wow, millipedes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millipedes. That's so missing. This is smaller. What is that? Kind of millipede here. It's very small. Oh, ooh. Everyone see here. Look here. Another millipede. Oh, oh my God. And this is a wordworm here. That's the one, and this is another kind of millipede black. Oh, wow, wow, millipede a lot. Oh, it's the bigger millipede. Wow, here. Oh, it's moving like this. Oh my God, it's stronger. It's stronger than animal. Wow, here. There's a bigger millipede. Oh, one more, 2, 3. Oh, there's a lot of millipede. Everyone look here together to find all the millipede, scorpion, and beetle larva. Wow, you see, and I'll get a lot. Oh, lizard. Oh, lizard. Oh, you look lizard. Wow, red millipede. Everyone, look here. Oh. 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 It should be health. the beetle larva. Oh, I see a red millipede. I got a red millipede, everyone. Look, and I see one more red millipede here. Whoa, wow. Oh, a snail, African snail. Oh, it's dead. It's snail dead. Oh, look at this. Wow. Everyone, look here. Two of the red millipede. Oh, two of the red millipede I found here. What is this? Oh, another red millipede here. You can look here. See, in the dipper. Oh, wow. Ah, look at this, another smaller red millipede. Oh, look at here. Oh, many millipedes and maybe some larvae. Wow, look at this, everyone. Wow, this is the Cavendish plant. Oh my god. Oh, wow, big scorpion. Oh, here. Oh, 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 yeah. Wow, there's a big scorpion. Oh, I got 3 scorpion. Oh my god, you see, look here, everyone. I got 4 scorpion. Oh, a millipede. Here, a millipede. It's a brown millipede. Wow, a lot of red millipedes, everyone. Here, oh, there's a lot of millipedes in the banana. Oh my god, look here. Oh, look at this. Many kinds of millipedes. Oh, here, 2. Oh, it's in love millipedes, red and white millipede in love here. Wow, I got a lot. Got a lot of millipedes and scorpion. And beetle larva. Oh, wow, got a big millipede. Ooh, 2, 3. Oh, it's a dead. It's a dead millipedes. Oh, here. Wow, here. Oh, red millipedes a lot, you see. Oh my god. Everyone look here. Millipedes. Oh, here. Wow, that's so amazing. That's so amazing creature to find the millipedes, scorpion. And here. Wow, see, look. The brown millipedes is smaller, but bigger than anyone. Here, look, see. Another millipedes. Another red. Look right here. Oh, look here. Another red millipedes. Oh, I got more of them here. Yeah. Oh, I see a red millipede here. Oh, 2 millipedes here. Wow, two red millipedes. It's a brown millipede. Oh, I see another brown millipede here. Oh, no brown, it's red. It's a red millipede. Oh. Many other red millipedes and brown here. Here that is smaller. Wow, got a lot, everyone. Here. Wow, in love. Yes, in love millipedes. Here, look, in love millipedes. Many other millipedes everywhere. You can't find with me. Everyone here. Look, I see one more. Here, one more in here. Wow, I never see many other millipedes in here like this. It's maybe don't have any poison here. Here another big red more. Now we got a lot of millipedes. What is that? Wow, the scorpion, the centipede. I see a centipede. Where is the centipede? It's super fast moving here. It's smaller, but it's very fast. Wow. Nothing. Wow, banana. Whoa. There are lots of banana and they are very healthy here. What is that? That is a queer millipede. Wow, got a queer millipede. Ooh, ooh, everyone. Ooh, here. Ooh, lava. Wow, the beetle lava. Oh, here, another one. Wow, it's soft and beautiful like this. Here. Wow, it's a big lava. Wow, here, the millipedes. Wow, here. Oh, here. Oh, the brown millipedes. Wow, look at this carefully. You see, maybe a lot of little lava. Yeah. Oh, look here. Another shoot little lava. Wow. Oh, look here. Wow, there's a lot. Oh, I see. Another one little lava. Oh, here. Wow. Here, look here. There's one. Ooh, it's smaller. But it looks so cute. Everyone see? Look here. Oh my God. Here. Oh, it's so incredible here. Wow, there's a lot. You can see there's a lot of the millipedes, beetle lava, and scorpion. Wow. Oh my God, see. And look everyone, how I find them a lot here. Oh, wow. Wow, that's so amazing. Oh, wow, look here. Oh, how it's moving. It's moving like this. Beetle lava. You can see. Oh, that's so incredible. Wow, incredible. Look here. Oh, and amazing creature here. Wow, here. Oh, wow, the millipede, scorpion, and beetle lava. Oh, a lot everyone. Oh, I see millipedes. Wow, another millipede. Oh, it's my scorpion. Oh, my scorpion get out. Here. Oh, I see another smaller millipede. Wow, here. Lots everyone see him. Oh, here. Wow. Oh, look together. Wow. Wow, another one here. It's smaller. Oh. Oh. Oh, red millipede. See a red millipede? I got more millipedes. Oh. Oh, oh. Wow, millipedes. Here, wow, here. Oh, a millipedes. Wow, many millipedes. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Hello, pretty guy. The guy come here, find everything here. Wow, a big snail, a big land snail. I don't want a big land snail. Oh. Oh, I see. Two big land snail. Wow. Two big land snail. Let's keep it here. 1, 2, 3. 2. What is that? Oh, wow. Here. A giant scorpion. Oh, it's going to eat something. Oh, yeah. Wow, got a giant scorpion. Look at this. Oh, red millipede and with the gray millipedes. Oh, find something here. I may help some. Oh, another millipede. Another millipede here. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Amazing place to find millipede, scorpion. Oh, look here. Wow. Oh, wow, here. Wow, two, 3 red millipedes. Oh, the red millipedes a lot, everyone. This is what I'm going to find here. Wow, here another one. Oh, here. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, here another brown millipedes here. Yeah. check it. Ooh, a small red millipedes here. Let's see a small red millipedes. Ooh, wow, scorpion. No. Oh, wow, it's one more black scorpion. Oh, amazing picture here. Wow, African snail. That is an African snail. Wow, here. Wow, African snail one. Oh, we have a lot of something here. Check it together. Oh, millipedes. I see a millipedes. Wow, African snail. Oh no, this is another big snail. Wow, big land snail here, bro. This is a big land snail, bro. Keep it here. That is what big. You can check it. Oh, okay. Red millipede. Oh, two red millipedes. Oh, another one red millipedes. Wow, wow, another snail, another African snail. Here, a red millipede one. Oh, I see another scorpion. Wow, big scorpion. Oh, red millipedes. Oh, here, many other millipedes. Oh, brown millipedes. Wow, look at this. That is another millipedes. Wow, look at this. Oh, here, another red millipede over there. Oh my god. Oh, here, I see a bigger millipedes. Oh. Wow, here. Two. Oh, one red millipede. Oh, let's check it here. Maybe help. Oh, wow, another snail here. I got another snail. Ooh, another red millipede. Everyone see red millipede a lot. Check it together. Oh, wow, millipedes. Millipede everyone. Here, okay, the millipedes. It's brown millipedes. Oh, check it here. There might have more on the millipedes. Oh, wow. Oh, the red millipede. Oh, wow. See, I found a lot of some red millipedes everywhere. Oh, ooh. Wow, big scorpion. Ooh. That is scorpion. Ooh, I see a red millipede. Oh no, it's just a millipedes. It's brown millipedes. Oh, I see one more red millipede near here. Oh wow. Oh, a red millipede. One more. Everywhere. Oh. I see a red millipede everyone. Look here. Oh. One more millipede. Millipede. It's such an amazing place. Oh. I see a millipede. One more. Oh my god. Here, another red millipede. Oh my god, millipede a lot. It's a brown millipede. Wow, and red millipede a lot. Oh, happy to collect them here. Wow, it's a harvest time. Oh, millipedes. Oh my god. Here, another millipede. It's different kinds of millipedes. Oh. Oh, I see. Oh, it's another brown millipede. Wow. Another brown millipede, one more. Oh, a lot everyone see. I see a millipede. Oh, a millipede. Another red millipede. Oh, wow, it's in love millipedes here. Two millipedes in love here. Oh my god. Oh, wow, beetle larva. Beetle larva and millipedes. Oh, here. Wow, it's very big. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Here, another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's super big. Super big yellow millipedes. Oh my god. Let's show here. Oh, millipedes. Here, look at this. Wow, two, three millipedes. Oh my god. It's smaller. Here. Oh, what is that? Oh, another beetle larva. It's also very big one. Oh my god, see, look here, everyone here. Carefully, everyone, because there are a lot of millipedes. It's rare millipedes. Oh, what is that? Oh, another red millipede. Here. Wow. Check that. Oh, another millipede. Oh, look at this. Another millipede. Oh, wow. Check out here together. I see another red millipedes also living here together a lot. What is that? Oh, the beetle larva. Oh, look. Have a look together. Wow, a lot. What is it? Ooh, another bigger beetle larva. Here. Wow, so amazing. Why there are a lot of the red millipedes. Oh, red millipedes. There are many of the red millipedes. Oh, here. Yeah. Oh, red millipedes a lot, everyone here. Wow, there's a lot. Here. I see another one is smaller. Oh my god. Oh, the millipedes. Another brown millipedes. Oh my god, a lot. Wow, amazing place, everyone. Wow, a scorpion. Oh, wow. Wow, there's a lot of scorpion. Oh my god. Oh, millipedes and scorpion a lot. Everyone. Oh, here. Oh, that's millipedes. Oh my god, here. And the scorpion. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, millipedes. Oh, wow, here. Take a look together. Oh, millipedes. Oh, there are a lot. Oh, many millipedes. Oh my god, here, everyone. Oh, look at here. Oh, millipedes a lot in the group. Oh, in the group there are a lot of millipedes. Oh, wow, here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, I found millipedes a lot here. Oh, wow, millipedes. Oh, here. Many of the red millipedes and brown millipedes here. Everywhere. I see another red millipede. Oh no, it's just a brown millipede. Oh my god, there's a lot and a lot, everyone. Another white millipede. Oh, here, take a look. A white millipede with many red millipede. Oh, what is that? Oh, a beetle larva. Oh, a beetle larva. Wow. Oh, another beetle larva. Here. Wow, another beetle larva. Oh, there are a lot, everyone. Oh, look at this. Everyone, look here. Wow, oh my god. A millipede. Scorpion. Snail. African snail here. African snail with, oh, snail here, scorpion. Oh, there are lots, everything in the banana farm. You can find them a lot everywhere. Oh my god. Take a look together. It's such an amazing. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Oh. Oh, here. Take a look together, everyone. See here. That's so amazing creature. You can find them a lot everywhere. Yeah, one scorpion. One scorpion is one get out from here. Oh. Oh. There are a lot. Here with a larva. Oh, a scorpion. Oh, there are a lot. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, see and look everyone. Oh. 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 Wow, take a look together with the banana and check here.